Kia ora. This is Kef Calinda, my friend, and plan is just to, well, I've already put in there's the existing, just had one brace, well, a full circumferential brace around there. So I've re-glued that because it was coming away from the front baffle, which isn't good. And that was the only baffle brace really. So I've put another one in here because it needs it there, you know, that's a weak point. And there was also none down this section of the cabinet. So I've put in a U brace going right around there. It should do the trick, because what you can see already before was quite resonant around here, whereas now that's pretty good. It's very good actually. Yeah, so that's where we're up to on these, and some excellent, you know, the dampening pads I've got in here are brilliant already, so really only a little bit of extra dampening needed, but that's where we're up to at the moment. Awesome, have a great one.